friends, it's me, Sushreeya, and today I'm going to be here talking about single plastic bans and also how this affects us. Cool, right? This is really interesting. So let's zoom in, okay? So what is a single plastic used? A single-use plastic? Well, what this is that it's just a plastic that is usually used only once. Now this can affect us largely, and it lasts a lot. It can affect us humans in a very big way. Sometimes when we have it like connected to us. So sometimes it can spread some birth defects and some illness and itchiness and rashes. So we don't want that. But it can also affect some of our animals. Marine mammals, especially the marine animals, I could tell you 100,000 of them die every year just because of the single plastics that are affecting them. But then we have found also that at least 237 species have already been affected by this, whether they're dying or whether they're having some illnesses. But one cool fact, a family of 3 sea turtle of a leatherback, one of them out of the 3 have been found with a bunch of plastic in its stomach. So now science has even been telling us that this can also affect the marine animals with the ocean. So we can say this is very linked with the plastic in the ocean. Now this can tell us a lot of stuff, and this is, if we don't stop it in time, this is very not good for our future. So what are some facts we need to do just for our studying here? Well, we can say a lot of stuff, and only 1% of all of the bags that we are using is being recycled to be returned. But the average Americans that we use is above 1,000 plastic shopping bags we use. And now there are many things we have to buy. We have not only shopping bags on hand, we also have other things like straws and even coffee stirrers, guys. And we need to really calm this down. 100 billion plastic bags are being used by just Americans. And it's really, really bad. But some good signs have been showing up. So thank God some of us are taking the sign. The country of Bangladesh was the first one to ban all single-use plastic bags and plastics. But some U.S. states here have also been doing this. California and New York has done that, and now recently, Hawaii has even done that. So we can see some of our signs are getting great. So now we can see that just because we have single-use plastic bags, how they can affect us. We might see that even science can show many other stuff. There's a very neat thing that we have to see. 14 plastic bags is equivalent to the gas that's being used. For 14 bags is equivalent for the gas spent on a car just driving 1 mile. So now imagine if you even study that oil is used to make some grocery bags. Wow, right? And it's only for a car driving 1 mile. So this is even less. But there are many ways we can solve this, friends. We just have to think about it. Just use your plastic bags properly, friends. If you know you're going to recycle it, just try not to buy those a lot. Try getting non-plastic straws. Try getting brown paper bags. And try getting other things. Some stores are even trying to do this too. What else do we need to do? Some people, what they've been trying to do is set up some local places where people zoom in to volunteer to help clean up some of the ocean or lake and water stores area. And this is amazing. Support some bands. Come on, guys. If we support some bands, we might even help this earth. Maybe we'll be independent again and not have to depend so much. So, I hope you guys can heed my warning, and maybe if we just stop our plastic, think about our future. Okay, guys? If you have questions, put them in the comments below, and see you guys soon. Bye!